I have received initial reports on the effects of heavy rains here in Cebu yesterday. They resulted in flash floods, structural collapse, and damage to property. Rest assured, national and local governments are working closely to bring speedy help to those who are affected by the heavy rains, especially in Carmen, in Minglanilla, and Cebu. I also direct the Office of the President and the DSWD to provide assistance to the local government units affected by the flooding. Despite these challenges, we remain resilient and focused on the goal, just like the athletes here. This event is more than just an inter-school, inter-regional competition. It is also a platform where we discover, where we develop and hone future professional athletes, Olympians, and servant leaders. To all our athletes, let this serve as your training ground and demonstrate the unwavering spirit, talent, and dedication of all young Filipinos. It is your moment to shine. Show the Filipinos' indomitable character, our graciousness in defeat, and our magnanimity in victory. Let us build a brighter future for our youth, for sports, and for our country, so that through the fires and the forging of competition, we become stronger and closer as a nation towards the bagong Pilipinas that we aspire. Sa bisa ng kapangyarihan na ipinagkaloob sa akin bilang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, idinedeklara ko ang pagbubukas ng Palarong Pambansa sa taong ito. Mabuhay ang Palarong Pambansa 2024! Mabuhay kayong mga atleta! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas!
sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 dahil noon nakalaro din kami sa Palarong Pambansa 2023 at ngayon babalik kami para bumawi at magka-gold ulit. Babakbakin namin yung mga kalaban. Iiwasan nyo kami dahil kami ay magagaling.
Masaya ako na pinakamaraming delegates ang Eastern Visayas. Gagawin po namin lahat mga football players para ang aming region, Biliran.
Ang galing ng Pilipino!
Ay, grabe po paghahanda kasi ginawa namin talaga year-round. Yung constant training. Umaga, bali Monday to Saturday, Sunday, kahit saan ginagamit namin. Siyempre po, masaya kasi nakarating kami dito sa highest level ng competition ng DepEd, Palarong Pambansa. And we are very proud, we are composed of one from Albay, one from Naga City, top 1 ng Philippine team, then 2 from Camarines Sur. Maraming salamat Pangulo at nakakarating kami dito. Sana supportan mo po lahat ng mga atleta Pilipino na nakakarating dito.
Ang galing ng Pilipino! Uragon!
Karangalan na napasama na kami sa Palarong Pambansa. Talagang pinaghandaan namin ito. Nandito kami hindi lang para mag-compete kundi para manalo. Magbibigay kami ng ginto para sa aming rehiyon. Isang karangalan din na makita namin si Bongbong Marcos. Ang mensahe ko po para sa ating mahal na Pangulo ay nandito po kami, yung buong rehiyon ng Eastern Visayas, at para sa bagong Pilipinas!